Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we make your money work for you. Are you feeling tired and financially just stuck? You might be holding on to some myths about money that's keeping you broke. Today we're busting 15 financial myths and giving you the tools to break free and take control of your finances moving forward. If you are looking for a brighter financial future, take a look at this video. Let's get started. The very first myth is you need a lot of money to get started with investing. Now, this is a huge myth, and in fact, most people think that you need thousands of dollars in order to get started. But the truth is, you can get started with investing with as little as $1, but in most cases, $5 will be the bare minimum. You can use apps like Acorn or Robinhood and get started today. The key here isn't about how much you start with. It's about consistently and regularly investing moving forward. The second myth is a credit card is free money. Swipe now, pay later, right? Credit cards can charge very high interest rates, and the rates apply to any unpaid balance. If you are using a credit card like free money, that is a huge trap, and you will be sorry later. Now, in order to avoid incurring a lot of interest charges, use your credit card for only purchases that you know that you can pay off by the end of the month or before the billing cycle ends. This will help you not only pay off your credit and not incur those charges, it will also improve your credit score over a period of time. But again, don't charge it if you can't pay it off at the end of the month. Another myth, I'll save when I earn more. A lot of people do believe that they'll save more once they get a raise. But I want you to think again. Lifestyle inflation usually eat up any type of earnings or raises that you're going to get in the future. The more you make, the more you will spend, unless you're intentional. So what I think you should do is start saving now. Start with a small percentage, such as 5%, and over a period of time, you will get accustomed to having the 5% removed before you even receive your money. And before you know it, you can slowly increase that. But you will start saving now, which will make you far more wealthier, even by the time you get a raise. Myth number 4 is I don't make enough to save. This myth could really be damaging. Even a small amount of savings is a lot better than none at all. Just think about it. All small savings do add up. For instance, if you save $20 a week over a period of time, you will watch it grow significantly. But you have to start with saving. Let's make that change today. Another myth is I don't need an emergency fund. Of course you do. Life happens, whether it's a flat tire, unexpected medical bills, or a job loss. Without an emergency fund, these surprises can throw your financial budget off and can place you in a lot of debt. In order to avoid this, aim to save 3 to 6 months of your living expenses in a separate account. It doesn't have to be taking all the money out of 1 or 2 pay periods, but intentionally saving, which will prevent you from suffering in an emergency and not having the appropriate funds to cover that emergency, which will lead you down a road of debt that you may take months, if not years, to get out of. Many people would think that renting is throwing money away. Not everyone needs to buy a house. Renting can make some sense depending on your lifestyle and market condition. Ownership does come with expenses like maintenance, taxes, and insurance, all of which could be a bit much for some people. So don't think that because you're renting that you're throwing your money away. You're not at all, guys. Not to mention, I want you to just start evaluating your financial goals and your readiness before you make a big purchase such as a home. We hear it all the time. Debt is just bad. It's just bad, bad, bad. Not all debt is created equal. A mortgage or a student loan can be an investment into your future, while credit card debt often pulls you down. The key here is to focus on eliminating bad debt, while good debt is strategic and steadily increasing. The solution here is to focus on all of your bad debt. Eliminate it all as much as possible while using your good debt strategically. Another myth is that I'll work forever so that I don't have to save for retirement. This myth really ignores reality. Health issues or economic shifts can force you into retirement, or in early retirement at that. Saving for retirement is a must. The key here is to start early, start small, but start today. Time is your biggest ally when you're saving for retirement, but you have to start today. You have to be a financial expert to manage your money effectively. Managing money could feel overwhelming, guys, but you don't need a degree in order to manage your money. Simple tools like budgeting apps or even having a budget or online resources can make a huge difference in your savings journey. Not to mention, it will help you manage your money very effectively. I don't make enough money, so I don't need a budget is a myth as well. Without a budget, your money really disappears without any knowledge of where it went. A budget shows you exactly where you're spending your dollars and how often you're spending them as well, so you can take control. Try different budgeting methods such as the 50-30-20 rule, or just taking pen to paper and monitoring each and every dollar that you spend. This will definitely help you in the long run when you first identify where your spending is going, but secondly, where you need to cut back so that you can start saving. I know we see all of these huge stores such as Costco and Sam's Club and BJ's, all which are great stores, but buying in bulk always save you money is a myth. Bulk buying only saves you money when you use everything that you're buying. If an item expires or go unused, it's wasted money. The key here is to only buy in bulk for the items that you know that you're going to use within a short period of time. And if you find that there are items that you could share with family or friends and you split the cost, then that is a savings. But again, if you're not going to use it or you don't have anyone to split the cost with, don't buy it in bulk. Get the individual packaging, and I'm sure that you'll save money over the long run. I can't afford insurance, many would say, but that is a huge myth. Skipping insurance might save you up front, but it can cost you dearly in the long run. Unexpected emergencies like accidents or medical bills or surgeries can lead to financial ruin. You should always prioritize essential coverage such as health, auto, and life insurance. And in many cases, if you are renting a space, you definitely want to have that renter's insurance as well. The myth that investing is too risky is one that is really costing many people a huge savings and a lot of wealth. The real risk is not investing at all. Inflation erodes savings most often. So leaving money in the bank account isn't the way to save, nor is it the safest choice. Start with low-risk options like index funds and diversify your portfolio. This will help you build wealth in a shorter period of time. But again, if you have a lot of time before you need money or is due to retire, you will be amazed how much money you will have saved by the end of your savings journey or whenever you really need that money. Another myth is you can't build wealth without a high income. Wealth is more about how much you save and invest than how much money you're making. Living below your means is the key. It is the most valuable tool that you can learn wherever you are in your journey on wealth building. Focus on managing what you earn and consistently putting money aside. This will help you tremendously and you will see your money grow. Not how much money you earn, but how much money do you save? How consistently do you save over a period of time? And the last myth that's keeping you broke is it's too late to fix my finances. It's never too late, guys, to take control. Whether you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, or 80s, small changes today can have a huge impact on your finances tomorrow. Start with the simplest step. Create a budget, pay off debt, and build an emergency fund and do it over and over again. And you will be amazed. You will be very happy that you did follow those steps. Guys, I've given you many of the myths that are keeping you broke. Breaking free from these financial myths is the first step towards building a brighter financial future. Which myth do you believe is holding you back? Drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on managing your money and living your best financial life. Thanks for watching, and remember, your financial freedom starts today. Until next time.